Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad with gulaman. First, we'll gather all the necessary ingredients, including your favorite fresh fruits and the key gulaman. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the gulaman so it sets perfectly. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a refreshing and vibrant dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on this simple yet satisfying recipe. Preparing the gulaman is a crucial step for our fruit salad. Start by dissolving 1 packet of gulaman powder in about 4 cups of water, ensuring no lumps remain. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. Once boiled, pour the liquid into shallow molds or a tray and let it cool and set completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Finally, cut the firm gulaman into small, uniform cubes. Now for the fun part, assembling our fruit salad. First, make sure all your canned fruits are thoroughly drained to prevent a watery salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine your colorful gulaman cubes with your chosen mixed fruits. Next, pour in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of all-purpose cream. Gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is well combined and coated in the creamy dressing. Be careful not to mash the fruits. The final step is chilling and serving your delicious fruit salad. Once assembled, transfer the salad into an airtight container. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures the salad is perfectly cold and refreshing. Serve your chilled fruit salad as a delightful dessert or a sweet snack. Enjoy this easy-to-make, vibrant treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.